Before you listen to this, pause for a moment, take a slow breath, and let your heart soften. Because this message is not random. If these words found you today, your soul was ready to hear them. There is a reason someone younger entered your life and touched you so deeply. A reason your heart felt safe, even when your mind felt confused. This connection was never about age. It was always about something much deeper, something your soul remembers. A younger person was chosen to love you deeply for a reason most people never understand. This kind of connection doesn't happen often. It doesn't follow rules. It doesn't listen to logic. And it definitely doesn't care about age. When a younger person feels drawn to you, it's not because of curiosity or attraction alone. It's because your presence awakens something inside them that they didn't know was missing. You see, younger souls often feel things more honestly. They don't know how to pretend. They don't know how to hide emotions properly. So when they feel something real, it hits them deeply. And when they met you, something shifted. You didn't just enter their life, you entered their emotional world. A younger person is often chosen to love you because you carry emotional depth. You've been through pain. You've been broken before. You've learned lessons that changed how you love, and that kind of emotional maturity becomes a safe place for someone younger. They feel understood without having to explain everything. They feel seen without being judged. They feel calm around you, even when their life feels chaotic. That's not attraction. That's emotional alignment. Many people think age decides compatibility. But psychology says something else. Real connection happens when two nervous systems feel safe together, when one person's presence lowers the other person's emotional walls. You did that without trying. You listened when others ignored. You stayed gentle when others were careless. You gave attention without controlling. And that made them feel something rare. A younger person often hasn't experienced this kind of emotional safety before, so when they feel it with you, it becomes unforgettable. That's why they think about you late at night. That's why small things remind them of you. That's why even distance doesn't erase the feeling. They may not always show it. They may pull back sometimes. They may go silent. But silence doesn't mean absence of feeling. Sometimes it means the feeling is too heavy to handle. A younger soul often struggles to process deep emotions. They feel everything strongly, but don't know what to do with it. So instead of expressing love, they withdraw. Instead of explaining, they disappear. Not because they don't care, but because they care more than they know how to manage. This connection was meant to teach both of you something. You were meant to show them emotional depth. They were meant to remind you how it feels to be seen again. You awakened parts of each other that had been sleeping. That's why this bond feels confusing. That's why it feels intense. That's why it doesn't fade easily. This kind of love isn't loud. It doesn't always have labels. Sometimes it exists quietly, in thoughts, in memories, in feelings that never fully leave. And even if paths change, even if communication stops, the emotional imprint remains. Because when a younger person is chosen to love you deeply, it's not about time, it's not about age, it's about growth. They came into your life to feel something real, and you came into theirs to remind them what real connection feels like. Some people stay forever, some people stay for a season, but the impact is what matters, and this impact was meant to stay. Must be, listen the last message, because the last message is especially for you. So don't miss the last message. Listen, be carefully. If this message touched your heart even a little, it's because it was meant for you. Not everyone experiences this kind of connection, and not everyone understands it, but you felt it. And that's enough. Now tell me something in the comments. Did a younger person ever enter your life and change you emotionally? Did they make you feel seen, even if they didn't stay? Your story might help someone else feel less alone. Write it below. Thanks for staying with me at the end. So please like, share and subscribe the channel for more mindset-changing videos, because I need your support and you love. This channel will grow with your supporting and your love. Thanks a lot.